I was really happy to be invited to this event because I have the impression for Slovenia this is the must-be. You have to be there. This nice exchange between businessmen on the one side and policymakers on the other side, I think, is very useful. I also got the impression there is an awareness of the key challenges of the Slovenian economy, which are in principle the lack of productivity growth and the fact that there is a lot of brain drain and shortage of people. They are preferring to work abroad. An issue was also mentioned that one said, okay, perhaps we have to pay higher wages to keep the people here, but to be able to pay higher wages, one needs higher productivity, so the people have to be more productive, and for that we need innovation in Slovenia. But innovation doesn't necessarily mean high-tech innovation. It could also be grassroots innovation coming from the employees themselves. And I think if Slovenia continued on this, it would be very good and a key element of the formula for excellence. And the other element which I also found important in this context is that Slovenia is a small and very open economy, very much relying on its reputation it is having in the rest of the world for attracting investment, but also for attracting people. And there I have the impression Slovenia is doing very well on this. I have the impression things are developed in a consensus, so there are no riots on the street or no real painful adjustments which are not accepted by the people, and now they see also the reward from the past efforts. In that respect, there is now more growth, there are more jobs, people are getting more higher salaries, pensions are also improving, so from that point of view, Slovenia is on a very good track, and it might not become the most competitive economy in the world, but I think it's very good in terms of having a successful catching up process with the rest of the more richer countries of the EU.